Okay guys, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate a short explanation of factoring problems. So when we're factoring, we're actually reversing the distributive property, which if you remember, the distributive property was a number or expression times two expressions added together or subtracted, we get AB plus AC. We're trying to work backwards on this. So for example, if we have AB minus AC and we want to take it back to its factored form, we're looking for the factor that they share, the greatest common factor, which in this case would be A, and then basically divide it out of each term. So AB divided by A would leave me with a B. AC divided by A would leave me with C. And so this is what we call factored form. Okay, so an example of that would be like 6AB squared minus 24A squared B. All right, so if I break this down into its factored form, I would have 6 times A, B times B, minus 4 times 6 times A times A times B. And when I do that, I can see that I have a I have a common factor of a 6, I have a common factor of an A, and I have a common factor of a B. So that means that I need to put my common factor, my greatest common factor out front, which is 6AB. And then basically I'm going to divide 6ABB, or 6AB squared, divided by 6AB is going to leave me with a B minus. And then when I divide it out of the second term, I'm left with a 4A. And this is what we're calling factored form. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Good luck on tomorrow's test.